Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a practical course that is highly useful for business professionals. Course overview. This course is designed for IT professionals responsible for upgrading and managing Windows 8.1 systems. Participants will learn about upgrade paths, deployment methods, and security configurations. It covers troubleshooting techniques and performance optimization for Windows 8.1. Preparing for the MCSA certification is a key focus of this course. Prerequisites include basic knowledge of Windows 7, system management, networking, and security principles. Course details. This course has around 2,000 students enrolled. The current price, with a special Udemy discount, is approximately €12. By purchasing the course, you will have full lifetime access and receive future updates. Upon completion, you will be awarded a certificate. How to get this course for free legally? I want to offer you this amazing course completely free and legally. To see how this works, subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Step-by-step guide. Point 1. Open your browser and search for CouponCenter5.com on Google. 2. Click on the relevant link from the search results. 3. Ensure that the website address matches CouponCenter5.com before proceeding. 4. Once on the home page, browse the available course discount coupons. 5. Use the search feature to find this specific course. 6. Scroll down and click the Go to the Course button. 7. Your course will be available for free, but remember, coupons have time limits. Enjoy the course. With just a few clicks, you now have legal, free access to this amazing course. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.